What's up, YouTube? Card Addicts here. Doing a Timeless Treasures box break. I want to thank everybody for getting in. It's 9 o'clock. I want to thank everybody for getting in this break. The winner was Air Force One, winner of the jersey card.
Air 10 Force.
Oh, Air Force. Sorry, Air 10 Force. Next box, we'll be breaking this next week. It's limited. Longevity the week after that. Alright, we're going to get started. One pack. Good luck. Looking for that big Cam Newton. Checklist.
That one?
That's them ones. Okay, I'm going to take the back card, slide it up front. Cedric Benson. Base. They're all numbered to 499, all bases. So Bengals.
499.
Maurice Drew-Jones. Okay. Just let it roll it. Hall of Fame regular base card. Deion Sanders. Next, Philip Taylor autograph.
For the Browns.
For the Browns. See that, G? We have to get YouTube, that's why we're showing. Okay, really nice card right here.
Numbered out of 458.
Sick
patches.
Sick patches. See, I know, I'm showing YouTube, that's why I'm sorry. Alright, it is Randall Cunningham. It's changing stripes. Eagles to Vikings. Okay, last card.
Another changing.
Braylon Edwards changing stripes. Get that, YouTube.
Browns and Jets.
Alright, thank you.